Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you all how to make that viral pasta chips. It is to die for, crunchy and totally delicious, and you all are going to love it. So we're starting with our pre-boiled pasta that we boiled till al dente, and I'm adding in barbecue seasoning. I really preferred the barbecue seasoning. It tasted really well. You can do any flavor you like, and I'm going in with a drizzle of oil. The oil is going to help crisp it up really nicely, and some dried parsley, or you can use fresh if you like, and you're going to give this a toss. Now if you think the barbecue seasoning wasn't enough for you, of course add as much as you want, and I didn't add any salt because it does contain salt. Next, I'm going to be using my Orky home air fryer. It's a really nice, small, compact air fryer, and it's perfect for if you're a single person or a student, or if you cook small amounts. So you want to spread it out evenly so that it air fries evenly. And I'm going to top it off with some smoked paprika. It's going to give it a really nice, smoky barbecue taste. And all you have to do now is cover it or close the machine, and we're going to air fry this for about 10 to 12 minutes depending on the size of pasta you use. It can be more, it can be less, so you would want to check it. And I'm going to put on the air fry mode, and to use the air fry mode you need to put on the on button and then use the menu button to select which mode you want, because there are a couple different modes here. So you can dehydrate, you can air fry, you can max fry, different things, which is really good. There is that light feature, which is so amazing because you can actually see what is cooking while it's cooking and where it's at. So if it's going to burn, you can see, okay, let's take it out. That's the good feature about this product that I like. So here I'm seeing the pasta being air fried. Once it's finished, you want to go ahead and give it a mix. Check it, make sure that all they're browning evenly and it's crisp to your liking. And basically that is it. All you have to do now is remove it from the air fryer, and I tested the handles. It was not hot, and I wouldn't say it was warm, but it was easy enough to handle. And I liked serving it with marinara. You guys heard that crunch? So amazing. And let me tell you all, it's not a hype. It does taste really good. So try it with this fusilli type of pasta, and I would leave the link for this air fryer in the description box. Thank you all for joining me today. If you make this purchase, comment down below and let everyone else know what do you think about this air fryer. I really love it because it's very small and compact. Do have a good one, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.